If you want to learn how to make this kind of Glassmorphism effect in After Effects, this is the perfect video for you. My name is King Sam. I teach After Effects tutorial videos, and let's jump right in. So we open up After Effects like this, 1920 by 1080, 13 frames per second, and click on OK. Okay, now let's drop in our background layer. The link to my project files will be in my video description so you can follow along. So personally, I'm using this pre-composed layer that I just created in After Effects, but you can use any layer you want. It can be a video, it can be a plain background, just something that you want to use. It can also be a picture. So first thing I'm going to do is make sure nothing is selected here. Come up here to our shape layer and draw a shape. So something like this. Now let's open up our rectangle properties. Open up our rectangle part and change our roundness to 100. So now next we're going to do is we're going to reposition it at the middle. Go to our align tab here. So let's move our playhead forward somewhere around 2 seconds so we can see everything that we want to turn into glass. The next thing I'm going to do is we're going to left click on our layer here, go to layer styles, add drop shadow, left click again, go to layer styles one more time and add inner glow. Now for our drop shadow, let's open it up, change our opacity to 40% and our size we're going to change it to 200. Now for our inner glow, let's open it up, change the opacity to 10%, change the color to white and the size to around 40%. So next thing I'm going to do is we're going to scroll up to our blending options, open up advanced blending, then our fill opacity will reduce it to 0%. So next thing, let's duplicate our shape layer. Now in the bottom layer we are going to delete our layer styles. I promise this will all make sense soon. The next thing I'm going to do is you're going to take your background layer and duplicate it. Now you're going to go to the track matte here and change it to alpha matte shape 1. If you cannot see your track matte, press F4 on your keyboard to change between modes so you can actually see the track matte. So next thing I'm going to do is we're going to come to effect and preset tab here, type in fast box blow and apply it to your background layer that you just put in your track matte. Now for our box radius we're going to change it to 100 and for our iterations we're going to change it to 4. So we're going to move this layer down in between our two background layers. Then on our last layer we're going to turn it into an alpha inverted matte for our shape layer 3. And now this is looking beautiful. So now you can already see that I've gotten the glassmorphic effect and you can see it follows my video perfectly. So now let's add a little bit of motion. So let's open up our scale property on all our shape layers. And now I'm going to alt click the stopwatch for my shape layer 3 here. It brings up our expressions tab here. All you just need to do is take this pick whip tool and pin it to this first layer here, because we want everything so that if I change the scale of this, it will affect this one also. So I'm just going to do the same thing for this my second shape layer here. Alt click and pick whip to the scale of my first layer here. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this here so I can unlink the scale, so I can scale the x-axis and the y-axis individually. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this to 0, make a keyframe here, come after like a second and increase it to about 100. So let's adjust this a little bit, take it backward a little bit, and we select the two of them, press F9 to easy ease, open our graph editor here and let's just adjust our speed graphs like this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more amazing videos like this. I hope you really enjoyed it, and till the next video, remember, live, edit, grow, repeat. see you in the next video.